this video, we are going to see how do we find the length of arc, or sometimes it's called as arc length, and the area of sector for a given circle. Okay, so this is our circle with center at C and the radius R, and it's having the angle as theta. So what information we have? We have the radius of the circle as R and the angle as theta. Note that this angle is given in radians. Okay, when the angle is given in degrees, the formula for finding the length of arc and area of sector varies. So that we will see in another video. Let's see. So length of arc. To find the length of arc, what we have to do? The formula is R times theta. Just multiply the value of R and theta and simplify. That gives you the length of arc. And to find area of sector, the formula is R square over 2 times theta. Okay, so again, it's important that the angle should be in radians. Then only you can use these two rules. Okay. The question, what this is, find the length of arc. What you have to find? Length of arc. So what is the rule for length of arc? It is R times theta. Okay. For what? For the circle with a radius of 15 centimeter. Radius, it means it is the value of R, which is 15. And with the angle of the sector as 2 pi by 3 radians. So how do we denote angle? We denote it by theta. And what is its value? 2 pi over 3. So for this example, what we have? We have that R is 15 and the value of theta as 2 pi by 3. Once we know these two things, we need length of arc. So length of arc is given by, yes, what's the formula? R times theta. Substitute the value of R as 15 from here. So what this gives you? 15 times. In place of theta, write 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. Now you just simplify. 15 times 2 pi divide 3. So can we cancel 3 from the numerator? Yes, because we know that we can write 15 as 5 times 3. So what we get here? 5 times 3 times 2 pi over 3. Cancelling the same number, which is 3, from numerator and denominator, what we get? 5 times 2 pi. So that gives you 10 pi. Hence, your length of arc is 10 pi. Since r is 15 centimeter, length of arc is also in centimeter. Okay, clear? So you need to extract the information from the question and use the appropriate rule. Let's take another example. So see what does this example says. Find the area of sector. So what's the rule for area of sector? R power 2 divided by 2 times theta. You need to remember the rules. Okay. If the radius of the circle is 10, so it means the radius R is 10 and the angle of the sector is pi by 2. We denote the angle by theta, it is pi over 2. So let's write radius, which is R, is 10 and angle, which is theta, is pi by 2. So the area of sector, let's write down the rule first. This R square over 2 times theta. Now in place of this R, change 10. So you get 10. This power 2 and over 2 remains same. Cross. In place of theta value, change it to pi by 2. Okay, and I hope you remember any number power 2. What does it mean? If it is a power 2, it means a is multiplied 2 times. So 10 power 2 means 10 is multiplied 2 times. So again simplifying it, it gives you 10 times pi over 2 times 2. So what we will do, we try to simplify it. So what we will do in this case is, we will make the factors 2 and 5 for 10, 2 and 5 for 10. So what we get? 2 times 5, 2 times 5 times pi over 2 times 2. Can you cancel something? Yes, we can cancel 2 from the numerator and denominator. So what we left with? We left with 5 times 5 times pi. That is 25 pi. So we get area of sector as 25. Okay, I hope it's clear. So in different questions, what will happen? The value of circle radius get changed and the angle. The way of substitution and simplification remains same.